Yesterday, we tested a heating pad to see if it helped with foiling deep curves in our stained glass pieces for the Four Seasons Lantern project. So today, in proper scientific fashion, we are going to see if we can recreate the same results. Because the fall panel has a ton of curved pieces, and I really don't want to spend all day adding saddles. What is a saddle? Great question. So glad you're here to ask it. A saddle in stained glass is an additional strip of foil placed over tears in the original foil that's added to the stained glass pieces. Think of it like putting a saddle on a horse. Same concept. It's completely optional. Your art will not fall apart without them, but the tear will be noticeable if you don't use the saddles because the solder will not bridge the gap of the tear. I learned that the hard way. Many times. We got our first tear, by the way. I'm actually kinda glad for it too, which sounds weird, but I want these experiments to be realistic, so y'all don't think I'm some stained glass wizard. Trust me, I make mistakes. But making mistakes isn't a big deal. Hell, we all do it. What's really important is learning how to correct your mistakes to the point that others don't even know they happened. And that translates to life in general. I'm making sure not to apply a ton of pressure while gradually folding over the foil onto the faces of the glass. Low pressure, high reps, gradual increase of angle. Those are the three keys to burnishing deep curves in your stained glass. Kinda like the three rules when dealing with deadly crocodiles. Rule number one, I'm number one. Rule number two, Croc's number two. Joe Dirt, what's up? I think this has been a repeated success with the heat pad. 8 pieces, 8 deep curves, and only one minor tear? That's a win for me. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time. We're almost done with foiling, so next up is the solder. Fun fact, I still don't know if these panels will fit properly in the lantern, so the anxiety of wasted time is slowly creeping into my peripherals, and it is scaring me half to death.